Did you know your body houses around 30 trillion cells? That's more stars than in the Milky Way galaxy. It's true. We carry a whole universe within us, a marvel of complexity and interconnectedness. This intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs makes up our anatomy, the very blueprint of what makes us human. Understanding human anatomy is like embarking on an expedition into this inner cosmos. It's a journey of discovery that unveils the elegant design and extraordinary functions of our bodies. Just like exploring distant planets and galaxies expands our understanding of the universe, delving into anatomy illuminates the wonders of our own existence. From the coordinated beating of our hearts to the intricate workings of our brains, every aspect of our being hinges on the principles of anatomy. It's a field that's captivated scientists and philosophers for centuries, and its relevance extends far beyond the confines of laboratories and textbooks. So let's embark on this captivating journey together, exploring the fundamental principles of anatomy and uncovering the secrets of the remarkable machines we call our bodies. Anatomy, in its simplest form, is the study of the structure of living organisms. It's like taking apart a complex machine and carefully examining each component, its shape, its size, and its position relative to other parts. But anatomy is more than just a parts list. Imagine a car. A mechanic doesn't just know the names of the parts, they understand how they fit and work together to make the car move. Similarly, anatomy delves into the relationships between different structures in the body. It explores how muscles, bones, nerves, and organs interact to perform the remarkable feats we often take for granted. Take breathing, for example. It seems so simple, yet it involves the coordinated action of the diaphragm, lungs, rib cage, and numerous muscles. Anatomy helps us appreciate the elegant interplay of these structures, revealing the beauty of our biological design. By understanding these intricate connections, we gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience and vulnerability of the human body. We realize that even seemingly small disruptions in one part can have ripple effects throughout the entire system. The human body is a masterpiece of organization, a symphony of structure and function. At its core are cells, the fundamental units of life. Just as bricks form a wall and words create a sentence, cells come together to form tissues, each specialized for a particular task. Muscle tissue, for instance, is responsible for movement, while nervous tissue transmits signals throughout the body. Epithelial tissue forms linings and coverings, protecting our organs and regulating the passage of substances. Connective tissue, as its name suggests, connects and supports other tissues, providing a framework for the body. These tissues, in turn, combine to form organs, distinct structures with specific functions. The heart pumps blood, the lungs facilitate gas exchange, and the stomach breaks down food. Each organ plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's delicate equilibrium. Finally, organs work together in interconnected systems, much like departments in a well-run company. The circulatory system transports blood, the respiratory system delivers oxygen, and the digestive system provides nutrients. These systems, along with others like the nervous, endocrine, and immune systems, work in concert to ensure our survival. Think of a graceful dancer, a powerful weightlifter, or simply the act of taking a step. Behind every movement, big or small, lies the intricate dance of our muscles. These remarkable tissues, numbering over 600, are the engine of our mobility. Muscles are like biological ropes, capable of contracting and relaxing to generate force. They work in pairs or groups, pulling on bones via tendons, acting like levers to produce a wide range of motions. From the subtle twitch of an eyelid to the explosive power of a sprinter, our muscles are constantly at work. But muscles are more than just movers. They play a vital role in maintaining posture, stabilizing joints, and generating heat to regulate body temperature. They even contribute to our facial expressions, allowing us to communicate a wide range of emotions. Understanding the anatomy of muscles is crucial for athletes, dancers, and anyone seeking to improve their physical performance. It's also essential for healthcare professionals treating injuries and disorders affecting movement. Section 5. The skeletal framework, support and structure. Imagine a building without a frame. It would simply collapse under its own weight. Similarly, our bodies rely on a strong and supportive framework, the skeleton. Composed of 206 bones, the skeleton provides the scaffolding that gives us our shape and protects our vital organs. But the skeleton is more than just a rigid structure. Bones are living tissues, constantly remodeling and adapting to the stresses placed upon them. They serve as attachment points for muscles, allowing for movement. They also house bone marrow, the birthplace of blood cells. The skull, a bony fortress, safeguards the brain, our most vital organ. The rib cage, a protective basket, shields the heart and lungs. The vertebrae, stacked one upon another, form the spinal column, providing support and flexibility while encasing the spinal cord, the body's information highway. Understanding the anatomy of the skeletal system is crucial for diagnosing and treating fractures, dislocations, and other bone-related conditions. It's also essential for understanding the aging process and developing strategies to maintain bone health throughout life. Section 6. The nervous system, the body's control center. Consider the vast network of communication that connects our modern world. Phones, internet, satellites. The nervous system is our body's own intricate communication network, a high-speed information highway that controls and coordinates every aspect of our being. At its core is the brain, the command center, a wrinkled marvel responsible for our thoughts, emotions, movements, and everything in between. Extending from the brain is the spinal cord, a cable of nerves that relays messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves, like electrical wires, carry these messages in the form of electrochemical signals. Sensory nerves transmit information from our senses to the brain, allowing us to perceive the world around us. Motor nerves carry commands from the brain to muscles and glands, initiating actions and regulating bodily functions. The nervous system is also responsible for our reflexes, lightning-fast responses to stimuli that bypass conscious thought. These reflexes, like withdrawing our hand from a hot stove, help protect us from harm. Understanding the anatomy of the nervous system is crucial for diagnosing and treating a wide range of neurological disorders, from strokes and spinal cord injuries to Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Section 7. The circulatory system, the river of life. Imagine a vast network of rivers and streams carrying life-sustaining water to every corner of a continent. The circulatory system is our body's own internal transportation network, a complex web of vessels that carries blood, the river of life, to every cell in our body. At the heart of this system is the heart, a tireless pump that beats over 100,000 times a day, propelling blood through a network of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries, like highways, carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the tissues. Veins, like smaller roads, return oxygen-depleted blood back to the heart. Connecting arteries and veins are capillaries, microscopic vessels that form a vast network, like backroads, delivering oxygen and nutrients to individual cells while removing waste products. Blood, the lifeblood of our bodies, carries not only oxygen but also nutrients, hormones, and immune cells. It helps regulate body temperature, fights infections, and transports waste products to the kidneys and liver for removal. Understanding the anatomy of the circulatory system is crucial for diagnosing and treating a wide range of cardiovascular diseases, from heart attacks and strokes to high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. Section 8. The digestive journey, fueling the machine. Think of a factory, transforming raw materials into finished products. The digestive system is our body's own internal food processing plant, a remarkable assembly line that breaks down the food we eat into nutrients our bodies can absorb and utilize. The journey begins in the mouth, where teeth mechanically break down food, and saliva begins the process of chemical digestion. From there, food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that propels it to the stomach. The stomach, a muscular pouch, churns and mixes food with gastric juices, breaking it down further. Next, food enters the small intestine, a long coiled tube where the majority of nutrient absorption takes place. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible material, forming feces, which are eventually eliminated from the body. Along the way, the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder play crucial roles in producing and secreting digestive juices. Understanding the anatomy of the digestive system is crucial for diagnosing and treating a wide range of digestive disorders, from heartburn and ulcers to irritable bowel syndrome and Crohn's disease. Section 9. Anatomy, a window into ourselves. As we conclude our journey through the human body, let's take a moment to appreciate the profound implications of anatomical knowledge. Understanding how our bodies are structured and how our organs function empowers us to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. Just as a map helps us navigate the world around us, anatomy provides a roadmap to our inner selves. It allows us to better understand the causes of disease, to develop effective treatments, and to promote healthy aging. But anatomy is more than just a practical tool. It's a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the human body, a source of endless fascination and wonder. By studying anatomy, we gain a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life and the interconnectedness of all living things. This journey has only scratched the surface of what there is to know about the human body. Countless wonders await those who continue to explore its intricate workings. So, let us continue to delve into the mysteries of anatomy, unlocking the secrets of the remarkable machines we call our bodies.